Hello and welcome again to River Valley Farm. We got something that's going to assist us with the D8 a little bit. I went and picked it up this morning. So, we have a Carlisle Tools 1224 jump pack here. What's wrong with it? That's because you ride it in the mud. Right? Okay. Anyway, let's get this thing out of the box here. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy. But that's okay though. So we have a 12 volt, 24 volt, we have a cigarette lighter charger. I don't know what that thing there is all about. Anyway, USB port charger. It says it's fully charged. I'm kind of surprised by that. Very surprised by that, actually. Should come up and say, yeah, 12.9. It don't get much better than that. 24, 26.1, 26.0. Okay. Well, okay then. I guess we can take it right down there and use it. I was going to figure on having to charge it for a little while, but anyway, I guess not. And then, okay, and here we have this thing, which is a 2 amp charger. Okay, so it'll plug in right here like that. And that plugs into the wall, obviously, and then it should charge. So now, I need to read the directions and see how it does charge. So, I don't know, some of them have to have them off, some of them have to have on 12 volts, some of them have to have on 24, whatever. But, I'll just have to read the book and find out which way this one is, and then we'll make sure it does actually take a charge. So next time you see us, we might be down at a D8, see if it'll start. Okay, so it charges with the switch in the off position. Okay, it says to plug in here first, then to plug into a power source. 120 volt wall outlet, basically. Then if it comes up with a green here, it's okay. If this red thing comes on, then obviously that's a bad, or if this comes on, that's a bad battery. So, okay. That means we're good. This little thing here that's going around and around, that means it's charging. Though it says 100, so it says it's 100%, it apparently has more room in it. So we're gonna let it go ahead and take as many amps as it can. And we'll see how it goes. It says a complete charge may take up 72 hours. I really hope that's not the case, but I have this mess that I need to deal with while it's doing its thing, so that's what I'm going to do. So, well, it don't look like I did much. I made a pretty good dent here and getting the place cleaned up anyway. Already put the jump pack in the toolbox there. It charged up fully. And probably about an hour's time. So yeah, we are going to go here shortly down to the D8 and see if that thing will do us any good or not. We hope it will. I sincerely hope it will. We're going to take that thing too, and I should actually have, yeah, there it is right there. that. Might be useful. So anyway, next time you see me, I'll be sitting perched on top of a D8 again. So hang tight. Alright, so here we sit up on Big Yellow. We got 23.7 volts connected to positive to the battery, or to the starter, just because it's easier that way. And then the negative right there to the battery, so we're good there. And then we're gonna go 24 volts. Now I got 25.1 on there. We have smelling salts if we need them. We hope we don't. I did stroke the primer pump a few times just to make sure we had fuel. Seems to. Get my keys untangled here. Alright, fuel. Easier than I thought. Okay then. Okay, so it says it's not charging. Hydraulic oil's over temperature and the coolant level is low. Or is that might be coolant flow. I don't know. Anyway. That says 26.4 volts, so it's not charging real well anyway. Okay, the blade lift. Still. Okay. This should be the park lever. It don't want to move. Okay then. What might be the cause of that, I don't know, but anyway, we might find out here in a minute. Curiosity. Well, it's not all full of bubbles or anything, but it's still way over full. It should have pulled down some, so let me wipe this off. We'll check it again. Alright, so that was the engine off side I was looking at. I'm not used to transmissions having that side, but anyway. Sight glass, hydraulic oil, it shows good. Anyway, it starts and it runs. Park lever won't move. I don't know what that's all about. Or wait, that's the park lock right there. Ooh, choked it out. It did. Let's see. And of course now we ain't got that in. Okay, let me get it started again. Okay, so it tries to move. Let's see this here a minute. Forward. Okay, so this being a diff steer unit, it's a little bit different than what I am used to. Of course, it doesn't have an actual steering clutch or anything like that. It's set up to actually, I don't even really know how these work. I guess I'm gonna have to go study and see. But the main thing is it starts and runs and all that good stuff, and it could be as simple as a hydraulic problem of some sort that's causing it not to move right now, or at least only to move, you know, at least for only the left track to pull. So yeah, anyway, because it's actually the right hand track is locked down, I believe. It doesn't really move at all. All you see on it is the track kind of rise up as it tries to move, because it doesn't yeah, anyway, what am I trying to say? It's not actually moving. All you're seeing is it trying to move on the ground. So yeah, anyway, I guess I need to go home and do a little bit of research. So hey, cold start, old start was a success though, and anyway, that's a good sign. I'm kind of impressed with that. The blade raised up and tilted. That's a great, that's a good sign also. So all we got to figure out really is the why the right hand track won't move, and then we could probably load this thing up and take it someplace and at least service it, because I'm not servicing it down here in this mud. But yeah, anyway, it needs serviced. The transmission needs serviced. I'm sure the engine oil needs changed, because I don't even really know how long this thing's been sitting down here. But somebody invested quite a bit of money into it before they parked it. Let me lower this down, if it will. Okay, so that's good. Let's put that down. And then, or well, I should say, somebody said they invested a lot of money into it before they parked it. It's been here, I don't know, like I said, I don't know how long. And anyway, you know, they put new pads on, obviously, new grousers. Those things are friggin' meats. They're good. Track segments, or sprocket segments, excuse me, they're good. Nothing wrong with them yet. And then the chains, they haven't been turned and they've got some wear on them, but anyway, it's not that bad really. Way better than the old D7 the guy has right now. If you've been around any length of time, you've probably seen that. It's really good shape for its age, but it's dirt. Okay, it's old. Anyway, you know, we got some wear here on the trunnions and stuff like that, but you know, for the most part, a good servicing would go a long way for this machine, I think, other than whatever's causing it not to turn. Like I said, whatever's causing it not to turn, or not to roll this track. I don't know what that is yet, but we're gonna find out. Something to do with that up in there, I have a feeling. Actually, no, it's not something to do with that up in there. That is the ROPS post. Anyway, like I said, we're gonna find out. So yeah, I guess we'll call that one good for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will get back to you. This one should be a good time.